wabarakatuh. Hello, my name is Aiswarya Tama Ishad. I'm the fourth attendee from 7.3. Right now, let me present my KTI project, which entitled The Efforts to Improve Learners' Critical Thinking Abilities by Consuming Nutritional Meals. So, the first part of my project is background. In the context of social life in Indonesia, nutrition remains a serious issue, especially for learners with limited access in nutritional food. Many learners in Indonesia do not get a proper nutritional intake, low economic conditions, the limited access for healthy food, and also the lack of awareness for the importance of nutrition often hamper children's growth and development that made stunting issues higher and higher more in Indonesia. Without the proper nutritional intake, their brain development is impaired, which in turn affects in their critical thinking abilities and academic performance. The long-term solutions, such as increasing the access for national health and also the educational about importance of nutrition, can help manage this issue. One of them is by the new program in our Indonesian nation that was made for the new President Prabowo Subianto for free lunch to every learners in Indonesia with nutritional meals and by the 4 healthy, 5 perfect concept including carbohydrate, protein, vegetables, fruits, and meals. So I think it can play an important role in addressing this issue because it functions for spreading out the nutritional meals in Indonesia. The second part of my project is problem formulation. I have 2 questions for this project. The first one is how to improve the mental health and physical health. The second is how to improve learners' critical thinking abilities by consuming nutritional meals. Now let me tell you furthermore about my project. Let's get into the discussion. I'll choose the social lesson. We have learned about ASEAN. ASEAN is the organization in Southeast Asia which cooperates in various sectors. One of them is health sectors. It prioritizes efforts to improve nutrition and health public in Southeast Asia. Their function is to spreading and increasing the supply of health food in Southeast Asia. Nutritious food intake is an important part of people's health, including learners. So with a proper nutritional intake, students are better to solve problems, making better decisions, can analyze information with better. Also, with these consistent nutritional meals, learners will apply critical thinking better in their lives. Now, the last part of my project is conclusion. I have 2 conclusions here for my problem formulation. So, to boost mental and physical health, exercise and lifestyle changes are key, in my opinion. Engaging in aerobic exercise such as yoga or tai chi that usually all people do for manage their healthiness and also mental health stability. Then, consuming natural meals also can help the mental and also it significantly boosts their cognitive abilities, academic performance, and critical thinking abilities. So learners can maintain steady energy and concentration level, help them to improve more about their focus during the learning activities in their class. Okay, this is the presentation from me.
Okay, is there any question for Naya Bunda? Thank you.
Thank you. Naya, why did you choose that title?
I chose the title of the efforts to improve learners' critical thinking abilities by consuming natural meals because in Indonesia, we often find that many learners in Indonesia do not get a proper nutritional intake. Because of that, many problems such as stunting, obesity, and wasting in our country nations.
Okay, so my question is, what is the connection between your title with science lesson?
Okay, let me give you. So in the science, I choose the material of of the heart because in the heart we know that an important part functions is to filter out the carbon dioxide and oxygen. So the heart function is for giving out the carbon dioxide and entered the oxygen to our body circulations. So from here, we have to learn from the heart functions that we should filter what's that good and bad for us, for our body especially. One of them is by giving nutritional meals to our body. It is the way to giving out better life for us, and also it can impact to our critical thinking ways.
Okay, so how about the connection between English lesson with your title?
Okay, ma'am. So in English, I choose the material of procedure text. In procedure text, we learn about the steps to do something or making something with proper and consistent way. So it is do by the clear order. As if with learning procedure text, we have to do it with critically because we have to able follow and understand all of the order in procedure text. And also in procedure text, it is can make a procedure about nutritional meals. Like one of them is salad. We can make a salad by following the instruction, and it can help us to get a nutritional intake and our critical thinking is developed.
Okay, so my last question: after you've done this research, what you can conclude from this research?
So from this project, the conclusion is we have to consume more about nutritional meals enough, not too much but not too little, because if too much we can get an obesity, but if too low we could get stunting issues. So from here, I hope everyone in Indonesia get a proper nutritional intake.
Okay, that's very excellent answer. Thank you very much. You may close the presentation.
Okay, I think that's all from me. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam.